Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of a new product today. I've been wanting to try this for a while to really see if it works. These are silicone ice ball molds. They're good for your drinks, particularly your whiskey. Um, I bought these online. This is a 4-pack, but they have multiple sets that you can buy, 2, 4, 6, depending on how many you need. And this is a nice size one, so let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in it. It comes with 4. And I got my trusty old whiskey glass right here just to test it out for you guys. So basically on the back, just give you instructions for keeping it chilled and telling you what it does. And it says instructions for use: fill the ice ball mold with fruit, mint, leaves, or any other flavoring. So you can actually infuse this with any other fruit or mint or cucumber, stuff like that, and actually put it in your drink. It says place in the freezer for 24 hours. Separate the top and bottom of the mold when removing. Place in a glass and enjoy the beverage. Okay, so that's pretty much it right here. Go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Here's the top. Comes with a nice cylinder type case. As you can see, here are the mold balls. They come in plastic. All right, so here they are. Okay, and you get 4. So these are it. Go ahead and take one out of the other package for you. And they're wrapped pretty tight. Okay, so here they are. You would just basically fill the water in right here. Like I said, it's silicone, so it comes apart like so. But you have to make sure it's tight. Put it back on like so. You hear the snap. You fill it with water, fruit, whatever you want, and then you put it in the freezer for 24 hours. So let's do that and see what happens. Okay, I'm back. So it's been 24 hours. I actually prepped this before I did the video to save time. As you can see, pretty frozen. Here's the top where you fill it at. Just put some filtered water in here just to make sure it was a pure ice ball. And you see I have some whiskey already ready to test it out. So let's try it. Let's open it up. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Frozen on there pretty tight, but I was able to get it off. As you see, here's the ice ball, and we're going to put it in the whiskey glass like they instructed. Okay, so we have it in the glass. As you can see from here, it is a pure ice ball mold. It's frozen solid. And this is a whiskey glass. I also one of the good ones that I got offline as well. And we're going to test it out and pour some good old-fashioned Jack Daniels in here. And there you have it. And this is the review of the whiskey ice balls. Seems pretty solid to me. As the ice melts in here, seems like it works to me. So guys, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description so you can read more about them. They got different models, different sizes, depending on what you like, but these are bigger, so you won't have to put that much ice in your drink. This is good enough for me. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, and more great videos coming soon.